Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add, how it's called, map in 3dcart. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click plus when you are in editor. To editor you just need to click on view store, this shop on right top corner, edit home page, and launch page editor. And now you're here. So this is what we want to get. Click plus, more, and this here you see video and map in components. Nice. And here you just like choose the direction and like settings, like where you want to actually go. You just paste it here. So like, I don't know, this is the near Melbourne, near Victoria. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah. I'm thinking about changing the border here. If it's going to change or no. But nah, but this is how you can do it, guys. But yeah, this is how we can add map. Goodbye.